The Baron Samedi from Animal Factory Amplification, originally a guitar pedal, is also available as a 12 HP Eurorack Module version with additional CV inputs and controls. This Fuzz and Overdrive module is not a precision circuit. It's raw, has a mind on its own, and comes with just the right amount of Voodoo. So welcome everyone, and let's just dive right in. The Baron has an audio input, single outputs for dry and wet signals, and a mix out which is controlled by the blend knob. The volume knob controls the final level of the wet signal. Drum controls the gain for the fuzz circuit. Burial brings out lower harmonics and sub-octaves when turned clockwise. Live is kind of a notch filter. Turning it counterclockwise increases self-oscillation chances. Turning the death knob clockwise increases gating and erosion of the sound and decreases lows. The modulations depend also on the other parameters like the position of live or burial knob. Voodoo can be controlled with the attenuator or CV. It's a root chaotical feedback loop adding some chaos to the fuzz signal. Live also has a CV input and an attenuator. The higher the voltage, the lower the maximum cutoff frequency. The CV inputs of death and burial are controlled by attenuators. Both have a switch which turns the CV modulation on or off.
Einstweidreivierfünf sechs sieben. In der Schule wird geschrieben. In der Schule wird gelegt.
If you want to play a continuous fuzz signal rhythmically, you can use the Baron like an oscillator by patching the output into a VCA, which now can be controlled by an envelope. You also can patch audio in the death and burial CV inputs. Even with no audio input, the module can create sound by self-oscillation. Here we patch 4 random voltages but no audio. Patching triggers or gate into the audio input can create weird percussive sounds. I also love to patch the fuzz signal into a filter, tweaking and wobbling distorted bass lines. I like the Baron for its characterful sound, from warm distorted drums to harsh streaming bass lines or synths with electric guitar flavor. It's also inviting to experiment with noises and chaos, so the Baron hardly ever gets boring, but is always a challenge to tame. So that's it for today. As always, I hope you found this helpful and to see you around next time. Take care.